When we host our planning in Miro using the Jira integration, we can leverage a visual environment to freely and flexibly interact with issues, create a shared space for your cross-functional team to plan together, and ensure that the high-level context and day-to-day work stay together in a single central hub. Let's start by launching the Planner app from the Creation toolbar. When we connect Jira in Miro for the first time, we must authorize the integration by logging in with our Jira credentials. Depending on the nature of your Jira setup, you might need to reach out to your company admin to help with the process. Check out the Miro Help Center documentation for more information. Once we're connected to Jira, we'll select a Jira board to bring it straight into the Miro Planner. We have the freedom to organize the planner however we need. The default view of status columns is ideal for events like team stand-ups. But for events like sprint planning or refinement, we'll switch the column types to sprints, priorities, or even create a view with a custom field. Swim lanes will add more clarity and structure to our planning, and we'll filter issue types to focus our discussions. And the great thing is, this planner isn't just a copy of our Jira board. Thanks to the two-way sync between Miro and Jira, it's a live reflection of that board. Any changes we make to the issues in Miro are automatically updated in Jira in real time. Once we've fine-tuned the planner views, we'll get to the best part of planning in Miro. The whole team working, making decisions, aligning together on the same board. Everyone can move and rearrange issues, edit information, and map dependencies. If we uncover any new tasks or ideas on sticky notes or Miro cards, we'll turn them all into Jira issues in one go. And rest assured, they're automatically captured in our Jira board. We'll visualize relationships between issues with the Dependencies app and use the Estimations app to make estimations more interactive and engaging. The capacity and load features will help us commit to feasible goals. For this, we'll first have to open Jira cards from the Creation toolbar. Go to the Configuration options, toggle Story Points on, and refresh our board. We'll enter our team's available capacity for each column and let Miro automatically calculate the load. This way, we'll know at a glance if the load exceeds our capacity, and just as easily rearrange tasks to rebalance the workload. And that's it. No copying and pasting, no Jira updates left to do after the planning. We get to work visually, intuitively, collaboratively in Miro, and at the end, still get everything captured effortlessly in Jira. It's the best of both worlds, really.